Welcome to the Best Essential Oils for YouTube channel. We absolutely love essential oils over here and the healing powers that they hold. And we love sharing our knowledge and daily use of these powerful essences with all who are willing and wanting to learn more. So feel free to browse the channel, subscribe, and visit us often, as we'll be rolling out new posts and resources as they continue to evolve. But in the meantime, let's get started with a brief overview of essential oils. Essential oils are basically liquid extracts from certain plants, trees, and fruits using a technique called distillation. Several pounds of plants are actually needed to provide a teeny small bottle of essential oils because most of the plants contain very small amounts of extracts. The essential oils are then refined and packaged into containers that help them maintain the scent and fragrance for a long time. The following is a list of treatments and extract procedures that produce the essential oils for us in common aromatherapy, creams, and tinctures. The first is steam distillation. It's the most popular and the oldest distillation process available. Old-time traditional aromatherapy professionals believe this method is the best way to produce the most quality extracts. This system takes dried or fresh plants and places them in a steam chamber. The steam is put under pressure and then circulated in and out of the plant material. The heat from the pressurized steam causes the plant's cellular structure to open up, and the essential oils pour into a holding container. Now, this is a delicate method since the heat must be well balanced to open the plant, but not too hot, causing destruction of the delicate oil. After the steam and oil are distilled into a container, the steam returns to a liquid, while the oil creates a film at the top of the solution. Both the liquid and the oil are both therapeutic byproducts of the process. Then the oils can be packaged as pure essential oil extract. The water still holds a lot of the oil properties, so it's used by cosmetic companies in toners or skin creams. Then there's cold pressing. Extracts from fruits such as bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, or limes use different forms of processing. The essential oils are mainly in the fruit's peel, so they need to be penetrated. The fruit's peel is rolled over a large array of sharp objects that cause the peel to burst and the oils extracted. Then the fruit is squeezed and the juice is contained. Now, like steam distillation, the essential oils rise to the top of the juices as a film. Then they're separated by centrifugal force into containers that are packaged for the public. Then there's enfleurage, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. The method of extraction that's used for flowers or plants is very, very delicate. Some plants are too delicate to withstand the heat from steam distillation. Enfleurage uses animal fat to absorb the essential oils from the delicate flowers, and as the petals are depleted from their oils, more are placed on the animal fats until it's completely saturated with the extract. After the fat is saturated, the fat is treated with alcohol, which solvates the essential oils, and once the mixture is contained, the alcohol will evaporate, leaving behind the essential oil product. Lastly, there's solvent extraction, and it's the most efficient and affordable way to separate the extract from the plant. In this method, a solvent is used to saturate the plant and absorb the oils, and after saturation, it's then treated with alcohol. Like enfleurage, the alcohol eventually evaporates and it leaves only the essential oils for packaging. This method is especially useful for more expensive extracts where the plants need to be squeezed for its extract as much as possible. And although this method is the most cost efficient, it can leave solvent in the product, which can cause side effects. So how do you choose an essential oil? They come in a variety of scents and fragrances, and the different extracts act on different components. Some help your mental fatigue, others relieve stress, and others can be used as a topical cream to help you alleviate scars or acne. Now, the first thing to consider when choosing an essential oil is to inhale the fragrance. Some scents are very pungent, others are citrus, and others have a flowery smell. So if any of these scents bother you, then the essential oil will not really help with the relaxing effects as intended. So make sure you're familiar with the fragrance before you make your purchase. When testing the scent, make sure to keep it a few inches away if it's not diluted, because undiluted essential oils can sometimes cause a headache. When testing the scents, make sure to take a break from the testing. Don't continually inhale too many fragrances, or they'll ultimately cause you to get dizzy or give you a headache. You may also not be able to distinguish between the scents if you go from scent to scent to scent to scent. And avoid buying essential oils that do not have a variety of prices. And you might wonder why. Well, it's because some essential oils are rare and expensive. And if a company is selling essential oils at a consistent price, the chances are that the more expensive oils are not authentic. They may have also been distilled with cheaper methods that leave some of the byproducts in the product. So if you're sensitive to oily solvents, then avoid using essential oils that are diluted with vegetable oil. Although this is a recommended way to dilute the extracts, it also leaves an oily residue behind. So to test if an essential oil has been diluted this way, place a tiny drop on a piece of paper. If it leaves behind a residue as the drop slides off the paper, then it's likely to have been diluted with vegetable oil. When shopping for bottles, use manufacturers that list the Latin name on the bottle. This leaves no confusion on the actual extract that's contained in the bottle. Some extracts are closely related to the common names that we know, so they're falsely advertised as being the real thing. And also take note of the country. Some essential oils come from exotic places such as Africa, while others are native to France. This will give you an idea if it's authentic as well. The best essentials are also pure. Now, some companies sell synthetic oils, which can be dangerous. The synthetic oils don't contain the therapeutic effects that the pure essentials oils do. And also, the synthetic oils can cause allergies or painful headaches. So only choose pure essential oils over synthetic essential oils. Aromatherapists prefer pure oils. Containers used to keep essential oils should always be dark or navy blue, because clear bottles allow sunlight to enter the oils and they can spoil the extracts more quickly. So make sure to keep your extracts out of sunlight and in a dry, cool place. Now, depending on your needs, you should carefully choose which essential oil is best for you. They can be used for aromatherapy or even as a diluted topical cream for different skin conditions. Most mood-enhancing essential oils are used in aromatherapy for mental fatigue, stress, and anxiety. Now, if you want to focus on physical uses, then using the essential oils that help with rashes or acne problems would be more beneficial. It's important to use the proper essential oil, or you can find yourself frustrated because they won't be very effective for what you're looking for. Before choosing an essential oil that's perfect for you, do your research and read articles related to several essential oils that'll help you decide. Some essential oils are better as mood enhancers, and if you suffer from depression or low self-esteem, certain oils will properly help lift your spirits and increase your mood so that you can be more active during the day. You can also ask a professional or a qualified consultant to help you choose. A professional can help you choose which essential oil will quickly help your condition for the best efficiency. Now, after you choose an essential oil, it's important to test it prior to using it. Essential oils should never be applied without testing a small area of the skin. And they should also never be used without first diluting the extract. Essential oils are potent, so using them directly on the skin without diluting them can cause a rash or burn. So it's always best to dilute a small drop in a carrier oil. Spread some of the essential oil, if you're using it in a cream, on a small area of your skin and observe it for 24 hours. If your skin becomes irritated or red, then you may be allergic to that specific oil. Use this method even before burning essential oils for aromatherapy. Okay, so now after checking for allergies, it's time to use the oils. There are different methods that you can use, and here are a few of those methods. First is a diffuser. A diffuser will allow you to inhale the oils. Put a few drops of the essential oils in the diffuser with water. And some essential oils can be used with just the heat, so make sure to read the directions and read up on that oil. A diffuser will evaporate the essential oils into the air, and most come with a timer so they can be used while sleeping. Then you have dry evaporation, which is a more simple way to inhale essential oils. You can place a few drops on a cotton swab or a tissue and allow it to evaporate in the air. If you need a quick, strong scent, inhale the fragrance directly from the cotton swab. And for a less potent effect, allow the essential oils to evaporate on the tissue or the cotton swab and leave it in the general area of where you'll remain for about an hour or so. And lastly, there's steam. Steam is a simple way to inhale the essential oil aroma. You can place a few drops into a steaming bowl of water. The oils will quickly vaporize into the air. Place a towel over your head and place your head close to the steam and inhale. The fresh fragrance of the essential oils will penetrate your senses and help you feel refreshed. So there you have it, a quick overview of essential oils. Thanks for visiting the channel, and again, be sure to subscribe as we continue to roll out new videos all about essential oils. So until next time, be well.